Did you know that even the most advanced cars you could buy have serious room for some insane upgrades? It's true, the real game changers don't come from the factory, but from gadgets that feel way too smart for their price. Let's dive into some cool car gadgets that quietly change how you drive. 1. Dash Cam Omni. This is not your typical dash cam that just stares forward and hopes for the best. The Dash Cam Omni is a full-on 360-degree rotating security system that moves, tracks, and thinks while your car is parked or driving. Thanks to its built-in stepper motors and wide-angle lens, it smoothly follows movement around your vehicle, eliminating blind spots that traditional cameras completely miss. When someone walks near your car, Omni doesn't just record, it actively tracks them in real time using AI-powered parking surveillance, which feels borderline futuristic for something this compact. If an accident happens, the system instantly figures out the direction of impact and records that exact angle, continuing for up to 30 seconds afterward, so you don't miss crucial evidence. In parking mode, it switches to smart time-lapse recording, saving battery and storage while still catching anything important. Low light performance is excellent thanks to its f/1.5 aperture and HDR tech, and it records smooth, sharp footage at 60 frames per second. Add built-in GPS, driver assistance alerts, optional 4G remote access, and suddenly, this isn't just a dash cam anymore, it's a full-time digital lookout for your car. 2. Hudway Glass. Looking down at your phone for navigation might be the most normalized bad habit in driving, and Hudway Glass fixes that without replacing your dashboard or wiring anything complicated. This lightweight mount reflects your phone's navigation and driving info onto a mirrored glass panel that floats right in your line of sight. You keep your eyes on the road while directions appear exactly where you need them, which feels instantly more natural than glancing down every few seconds. What makes Hudway Glass stand out is how clean and simple it is. You just place your phone on the base, open a compatible app, and the display appears like magic, especially at night or during rainy drives when reflections are clearer. It avoids the common issues of windshield projection like double images or washed-out visibility, so what you see stays sharp and readable. It works with speed displays, navigation apps, and HUD-style driving tools, turning any car into something that feels quietly futuristic. For the price, it's one of those gadgets that makes you wonder why this isn't standard in every vehicle already. 3. Asdome GS63H Dash Cam. If you're going to record your drives, you might as well do it properly. The Asdome GS63H Dash Cam delivers true 4K video using a Sony sensor and a powerful processor that captures crisp detail even in near-total darkness. With its ultra-wide 170-degree lens, it covers the entire road without warping the edges, so you actually see what happened instead of guessing from blurry footage. This camera is loaded without feeling complicated. You get night vision, loop recording, a G sensor that automatically locks footage during impact, and 24/7 parking surveillance when wired properly. Built-in GPS tracks speed and routes, while Wi-Fi lets you instantly review and share clips straight from your phone. The rotating mount makes it easy to position perfectly, whether you want to focus forward or adjust angles. It's the kind of dash cam that quietly handles everything in the background, giving you peace of mind without reminding you it's there, which is exactly what a good dash cam should do. 4. Car Genie. Plugging your phone in every single time you get in the car feels ancient once you use Car Genie. This small adapter transforms any wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a fully wireless experience, and it does way more than just remove the cable. Once connected, your car's screen becomes an Android-powered system with access to apps like YouTube, Netflix, navigation tools, and media players, all without swapping out your head unit. Setup is refreshingly simple. Plug it into the USB port, pair your phone via Bluetooth, and it automatically connects every time you start the car. No delays, no menus, no frustration. It even includes a TF card slot for extra storage, built-in GPA support, and offline navigation options for when signal drops. The real magic is how seamlessly it integrates into your daily routine. You get in, the screen comes alive, and everything just works. No cables hanging, no forgetting to unplug. Just a cleaner, smarter driving experience that feels like a factory upgrade. 5. Tornado Black Cleaning Pistol. If you've ever tried cleaning car interiors with a cloth and some spray, you already know the frustration. You wipe, the dirt smears, and whatever's buried deep in the fabric laughs at you. The Tornado Black Z022 cleaning pistol changes that dynamic completely, because instead of rubbing dirt around, it attacks it from inside the fibers. The magic comes from its internal rotation system, which spins air and cleaning solution into a tight spiral tornado that digs deep into carpets, seat fabric, door panels, vents, and trim. What makes this tool feel professional is control. It sprays a fine mist rather than soaking everything, so surfaces don't get drenched and drying time stays minimal. That means you can clean fast without leaving behind soggy seats or streaky plastics. The cone-shaped nozzle with its oscillating tip focuses pressure exactly where you need it, breaking apart grime like gum residue, sand, food crumbs, and whatever mystery debris lives in your floor mats. It works just as well on soft upholstery as it does on harder surfaces like rubber and plastic. It's also incredibly satisfying to use. You pull the trigger, watch the dirt lift instantly, and suddenly your interior looks like it gained a few years back. Add in the included sponge and the surprisingly affordable price, and this becomes one of those tools that once you own it, you wonder how you ever cleaned a car without it. 6. M18 Fuel Cordless Polisher. Polishing a car usually means dragging extension cords around, worrying about paint contact, and constantly repositioning just to reach a panel. The M18 Fuel Cordless Polisher eliminates all of that, and once you use it, going back feels prehistoric. This is the world's first full-size cordless rotary polisher that delivers the same power as corded units, but with total freedom of movement. No cords tugging, no outlets, no limitations. The design is where it really shines. The variable speed dial and full control trigger let you fine-tune exactly how aggressive or gentle you want to be, whether you're correcting paint or finishing with a gloss polish. It reaches up to 2,200 RPM while maintaining constant power, so there's no drop-off when pressure increases. The M18 XC 5.0 battery is strong enough to polish an entire car on a single charge, which sounds unbelievable until you actually do it. Weight distribution is balanced, reducing fatigue during longer sessions, and the rubberized housing protects paint if the tool accidentally brushes against the surface. Small details like the removable dust cover and reinforced build make it feel like something designed by people who actually detail cars. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a workflow upgrade that turns polishing from a chore into something smooth, controlled, and genuinely enjoyable. 7. Real truck and power running boards. If you drive a lifted truck, you already know the awkward hop, slide, and mini prayer that comes with getting in and out. Real truck and power running boards fix that in the cleanest way possible by deploying automatically when you open the door, then disappearing when you close it. No buttons, no switches, no effort, they just show up exactly when you need them, then retract to preserve ground clearance and aerodynamics. These aren't gimmicky steps either. They're built from marine-grade aluminum with stainless steel components and can support up to 270 kilograms without flexing. The lineup gives you options depending on how extreme your setup is. The standard Power Step is sleek and reliable for daily driving. The Power Step XL drops lower for taller trucks and easier access. The Power Step Stream is built for brutal conditions like snow, mud, and freezing temperatures, using dual motors for added durability. And the Power Step Vision adds customizable LED lighting that you can control from your phone, which feels both practical and unapologetically cool. What really makes these boards special is how seamlessly they integrate into the truck. They don't look like an add-on. They look factory, but smarter. Every entry and exit becomes effortless, and once you live with them, stepping into a truck without power boards feels oddly primitive. 8. TWWS Charging Mount. Charging in the car usually turns into cable chaos. One cord for your phone, another for a passenger, and somehow nothing is ever within reach. The TWW's charging mount cleans that mess up by combining wireless charging, wired charging, and smart protection into one compact unit. It delivers fast 15-watt wireless charging for both Apple and Android devices, while also offering USB and Type-C ports that can power 2 additional devices simultaneously. The design is simple but thoughtful. Its cup-style structure fits easily into various car setups, and the flame-retardant ABS housing keeps everything cool and safe even during long drives. Built-in protection against overcurrent, overheating, overvoltage, and short circuits means you can charge without worrying about cooking your phone battery. It even supports WW's earbuds, making it a true 5-in-1 charging station rather than just another wireless pad. What makes this gadget shine is how quietly useful it is. You drop your phone in, it charges fast, and you don't think about it again. No fumbling with cables at red lights, no unplugging when you get out, just consistent power exactly where you need it. For daily driving, this is the kind of upgrade that doesn't shout for attention, but earns it every single trip. 9 Phantom Ambient Lights. You know that feeling when you step into a high-end car at night and everything just feels intentional. Soft light lines, glowing accents, a cabin that feels alive instead of dark and boring. Phantom Ambient Lights give you that exact experience without buying a luxury car. These RGB neon-style LED strips are all about vibe control, letting you completely reshape how your interior feels the moment the doors close. You get 64 colors to play with, plus multiple lighting modes ranging from subtle glow to full music sync chaos where the lights pulse with your playlist. Control is effortless. Use the Bluetooth app, tap the physical buttons, or go hands-free with smart voice commands. It feels modern without being complicated. Installation is flexible too. Footwells, center console, door outlines, handles, storage areas, wherever you want personality, these lights slide right in thanks to their acrylic neon design. What really sells it is how customizable everything is. Brightness, speed, color transitions, all adjustable in seconds. So one night it's calm and minimal, and the next it's full cyberpunk energy. It's not just decoration either. The subtle glow makes nighttime driving feel less fatiguing and more immersive. For the price, this is one of those upgrades that instantly makes your car feel newer, cooler, and way more personal without screaming for attention. 10. Thiel EasyFold Bike Rack. If you've ever wrestled a bike rack while cars waited behind you, you already understand why the Thiel EasyFold XT2 feels like a luxury. This tow bar-mounted bike rack is designed to remove every annoying step from transporting bikes, especially heavy ones like e-bikes. It's fully foldable, compact, and intuitive enough that setup feels more like unfolding a suitcase than installing hardware. Loading bikes is ridiculously easy, especially with the optional ramp that lets you roll heavy frames straight into place without lifting. The detachable arms use AccuTight knobs that literally click when they're secure, so you never second-guess whether your bike is about to become road art. It supports everything from mountain bikes to fat bikes and weird frame designs that usually cause compatibility nightmares. The small detail that wins everyone over is trunk access. Even with bikes mounted, the pedal-operated tilt system lets you open the trunk without removing anything. That's the difference between good design and great design. When you're done, the whole rack folds down compact enough to store in your trunk. It's the kind of gear that quietly encourages more trips, more rides, and fewer excuses. 11. Dunest Vision Monitor. Driving at night with a sleeping baby in the back is a special kind of stress. You don't want to turn around, you don't want to turn on lights, and you definitely don't want to take your eyes off the road. The Dunest Vision Monitor solves that anxiety in the cleanest way possible. A dedicated 4.3-inch IPS screen gives you a crystal clear live view of your back seat without relying on mirrors or guesswork. The camera delivers 1080p HD imaging with enhanced night vision, so even in complete darkness, you can see clearly without waking your baby. The wide 150-degree viewing angle and fully adjustable 360-degree rotation ensure the entire seat is covered, whether you're monitoring a baby, toddler, or even a pet. Installation is refreshingly simple. The camera straps onto the headrest, the monitor mounts on the dashboard, and that's it. No apps, no pairing issues, no delays. What makes this gadget special is how calm it makes driving feel. One glance, instant reassurance, eyes back on the road. It's safety without distraction, which is exactly what parents actually need. 12. Expel Generation 3.0 Recovery Tracks. Getting stuck off-road is never dramatic in the way you expect. It's quiet, frustrating, and usually far from help. The Expel Generation 3.0 recovery tracks are designed for that exact moment. Made from UV-protected reinforced nylon with a massive 10-ton load capacity, these tracks give your tires instant traction in snow, sand, mud, or ice without damaging rubber. Using them is straightforward. Clear a little space, slide the tracks under the tires, apply steady throttle, and let the aggressive anti-slip cleat design do the work. No winches, no tow trucks, no drama. They're lightweight enough to carry easily, yet strong enough to handle serious vehicles, whether two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. They measure 106 by 31 centimeters and weigh just over 5 kilograms per pair, making them practical for overlanding, remote travel, or winter driving. These aren't flashy gadgets. They're confidence tools, the kind you hope you never need, but feel incredibly relieved to have when everything goes sideways. For anyone who ventures beyond paved roads, these tracks are peace of mind you can physically carry.